Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. In this festive edit, I'm going to share with you recipes that are inspired from Indian snacks or Indian sweets. Then I'm going to give them a fusion of modern pastry. For making Nankhatai, in a bowl add 184 gram of ghee, which is clarified butter. Use ghee which is grainy in texture. In it add 160 gram of castor sugar or bura. Mix them both together till the mixture is pale yellow in color and is light and fluffy. In this add 145 grams of whole wheat flour, 65 grams of chickpea flour that is besan, 34 grams of semolina, a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder that is cardamom powder, and mix everything with a spatula to form a dough. Scoop out the 1/3 of the Nankhatai dough and keep it aside to use later. Transfer the rest of the dough to a pre-lined tin. Here I am using a 5-inch square tin. Spread the dough to all 4 corners of the tin and smooth it out. Bake it in a preheated oven at 160°C for 5 minutes. Then take it out of the oven and let it cool till we prepare the Pistachio Eggless Cream. In this video, I am taking the traditional Nankhatai, that is the Indian Shortbread Cookie, and present them as a shortbread bars with Pistachio Eggless Cream. You can also replace the pistachio cream with almond cream. I've already shared the recipe in the channel. I'll mention the link in the description box below also. For making Nankhatai, I'm using whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. Also, while making traditional Nankhatai, it is important to use ghee, that is clarified butter. And keep in mind that your ghee should be a bit grainy, that is, it should not be completely melted or frozen solid. So always use ghee that is a bit grainy. That will give your Nankhatai a beautiful texture. In a mixer grinder, add 50 grams of pistachio and grind them to a powder. Here I am keeping them chunky to get a bite. You can also grind them fine. Next, in a bowl add 50 grams of unsalted butter, 50 grams castor sugar. Cream them together with a whisk till the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture is light and fluffy. Add 50 grams of yogurt and mix it in completely. Now add the pistachio powder which we have grind earlier, 20 grams of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and mix everything together with a spatula till no dry ingredients are visible. Do not overmix the batter. Transfer it to a piping bag. I am going to pipe the cream over the Nankhatai base, but you can always transfer the cream directly in the tin. Now pipe the pistachio eggless cream over the cool Nankhatai layer evenly and smooth it out. Next, add the reserved Nankhatai dough which we had kept aside earlier by crumbling it over the cream, thus creating the beautiful layer of Nankhatai Pistachio Cream and Nankhatai Crumble. Finally, finishing it off by sprinkling sliced pistachio flakes on top, and bake this at 170°C for 12 to 14 minutes, or when you insert the sphere on top cream layer, it comes out clean and dry. Cool it completely before slicing into it. Let us see the beautiful layer and texture of the bar. I hope you will try this festive edit Indian inspired desserts. and give a video a thumbs up if you've liked it. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I post a new recipe. Now let us plate. At the base I am using some baked Nankhatai crumble. I had earlier baked some of the crumble separately. Now place your Nankhatai pistachio cream squares over it and place some pistachio around. Our Indian sweet inspired dessert is ready to serve. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.